A hadith a day, if acted upon, can change your life in both worlds, by Professor Dr. Ahmed Ali Brohi. Have you ever wondered what the secret to true peace is? The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, gave us the key in a beautiful saying, "Be content with what Allah has given you, and you will be the richest person." Let's unpack 3 simple lessons from this profound wisdom. First, true wealth isn't about what's in your bank account. It's about the peace in your heart. When your soul is content, you have a richness that money can never buy. Second, stop the endless cycle of comparison and start thanking. Gratitude is a powerful lens that transforms what you have into more than enough. It turns small blessings into an ocean of abundance. And third, place your complete trust in Allah's plan. Know that whatever He gives you and whatever He withholds is always for your ultimate good, even if the wisdom behind it isn't clear to you right now. As Professor Dr. Ahmed Ali Brohi beautifully puts it, peace isn't found in having more, but in accepting more deeply. When your heart rests in Allah's will, your soul becomes unshakable. If this message resonated with you, please like and subscribe for more reflections. Thank you for watching.